Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Out of Arts. Today we are about to make Bhelpuri. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the process. The ingredients are as follows. Puffed rice, 1 chopped onion and tomato, coriander leaves, shave which is homemade. If you want the recipe, I'll upload it soon. Groundnut, red chili powder, salt, turmeric, chili, lemon. Let's add chopped onion and tomato to the mixing bowl. Add green chilies. Add few groundnut which is fried. Give it a little mix. Now add shave. Add red chili powder. Add salt. A little bit will do. Add few coriander leaves. Add turmeric paste. This will give a sweet and sour taste to the bhel. Now add puffed rice. Give it a good mix so that each and every rice could catch the taste. Remember, never add puffed rice at the starting of the process. Now I am squeezing lemon. A little bit will do. Give it a good mix. I am again adding coriander leaves. You can also add pomegranates to enhance the taste, but it's totally optional. I am again adding little more shave, which is smaller in size. Good to go. Let's transfer it into a bowl and let me present it to you. Ta-da! Bhel is ready.